Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1956 Smith-Corona Skyriter vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top are the margins. You push them down like this and you can move them from side to side. This is your left margin, this is your right margin. I'm going to set it at about 0, maybe a couple in, and 75. It's about the length of a page. And this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. Making sure I'm loading it in straight. And this is the paper bail that sits on top, holds the page down. It's got a scale on it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the flying space, gets you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single space, but if you want double, there's a switch inside here, right in between there. It's kind of hidden. You just move this towards the front like that and it'll skip 2. Move it towards the back like that, skips 1. We'll keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. This is I was very impressed by this machine. It's very small and compact, but it's very powerful. It's really strong and durable and reliable, just like most typewriters back in this era. And they were able to just make this super compact. It's got a carrying case, leather carrying case with a zipper on it. Really nice. Pink interior on that. Pull the page out easy. There's a switch on the right side here. You just flip that back and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that down before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. You got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Above that is MR, stands for margin release. You get to the end of the margin. There's a mechanism that locks the keys and won't let you print. If you hit MR, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. Backspace on the right side here. That works good. And this is your ribbon reverse lever. So we're going to pop the hood and show you how that works. Since the ribbon is located in here with the spools, all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right clockwise, and if you flip this switch up, it'll pull to the left counterclockwise. We're going to keep that down, pulling to the right. Touch control on the left side here from low to high. The higher you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You just got to hit them a little harder for them to print. The lower you go, you don't have to hit them as hard, but they don't respond as fast. That works good. Got a carriage release on the right side only. Very smooth. And one last function is underneath the knob here. If you flip this up, it'll disable the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. If you flip that down, each one of those clicks is 1 space, and that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.